Okay, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can create beautiful, bouncy, beachy kind of curls. So this is following on from my Lullabellz hair extension video that I did a year ago now with the 22-inch straight 5-piece extensions. I'll link it below for you in the description box because you guys seem to love that video, and so I thought I would do a slightly different one with curls. So as you can see, I've just curled my hair now, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to link the wand in the description box that I use because everyone always asks me what wand I've used, and honestly it's the most simple wand to use. I am useless with hair, yet these hair extensions and this wand are just so easy for someone that's not an expert in hair. So I'm going to be using the Lullabellz, I always get that a little bit mixed up. Hair extensions in golden blonde, and I've got the 22-inch, so I've got 5 pieces in here. Now sometimes I feel like I can get away with just using 3 pieces, and then other times if I feel like I need the 5 pieces, then that's what I'll do. I'm sure there are so many of you at the moment that normally have hair extensions in and you've had to have them taken out because obviously all the salons are closed, so you've probably taken them out yourself, or some of you might still have those hanging on. So if you're looking for a set of clip-in extensions just to keep you going into your next appointment, or if you want to now move forward with clip-in extensions, or like me you just like to use them for a little bit of thickness rather than length, then this is what you need. So since I last did my Lullabellz video, I have actually had a lot of my hair cut off, so my hair was probably down to here last time, and so the extensions were very much for thickness, and this time they kind of are still for thickness, but also just to give a little bit more length. I just feel like my hair is quite fine. I do prefer it when I've got extensions in. Girls, it's honestly the simplest process. You just send Lullabellz a photo of your hair in natural light and they colour match you. So these ones, like I said, are golden blonde. The colour match is crazy, literally spot on. The fact that I can put these in and make them look good just goes to show how easy they are to do. So whenever I'm going out or I just want more of a glam look, then I always go for my extensions because I just feel like my hair looks so much more glamorous and thick, and I just feel so much more confident when I've got them in. I don't know why. So I'm going to get started now. I'm going to section my hair and get putting these in. I'll speed this process up like I always do just because it's a little bit boring for you to watch, and then I'll show you the end result. If you do enjoy this video, then I would love for you to give it a thumbs up and comment below what you think of my hair once I've got them all done, and I'm going to get started. So I'm then going to go in with the next one, which is the 5-piece. I just tend to play around a little bit until I've decided that they're in the right place, if that makes sense. I tend to put the 5-piece in now and then the 3-piece just along the back, and then if I need it, the 2 bits at either side, but it's really entirely up to you and whatever you feel like works best for your hair. Like I said, I'm no expert, I'm just doing what works for me. Go in with the 3-piece, and that's going to go at the back of my head, and then we'll pop the side ones in, and then we are done. So that is me done. Are you ready for this? And there we have the end result. I really love them. I don't think you can go wrong. I actually feel like the curly ones are my favourite, to be honest. Straight is like nice for like more of a, I don't know, for me personally, when I have curly hair I know that I'm going full glam. You can obviously brush them out as much as you wanted to as well if you wanted to blend them in a little bit more, or you didn't want it to be quite so curly, but for me I just love the whole glam effect. As you can see, I've literally transformed my hair in the quickest time. I also sometimes, what I do to keep them fresh is just spray a little bit of dry shampoo in there, and they've been fine. Who needs proper hair extensions anymore when you've got clip-ins? I'm just going to leave that thought there. If you've got clip-ins this good, why do you need to pay so much for extensions? Because these are such a good price. The other option you've got, girls, is to just put 2 little clips in at the front if you want them. If you don't want your hair to be sort of like as volumized and you just want it to be a bit more natural on top and then all the volume slash like glam, then yeah, you can just put some clips in, as you can see, and it just kind of like gives this a really smooth finish. But yeah, you can literally do anything with these when you've got them in. If you guys have any questions or you want to ask me anything about the process, like the colour matching or anything like that, then comment them below and I'll help you as much as I can. Really hope you enjoyed. If you did, I would love for you to stick around and subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And if you've tried Lullabellz before, let me know what your thoughts are, and I will see you in my next video.